Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. It seems to be an easy one once again, although most of the time whenever I said it is an easy one, it didn't become a 100% match, but let's see how far we go. So as always, first comes the background, which will be this color. Also, I want to try one thing, which is, can I give border to body? Like, I want to check this once. So border 20 pixel solid. Yeah, I can. Good. So you would have understood what I'm going to do. So this is the color of border. Let's paste it. And let's use margin to place it where we want it to be. 100. The values are more than we require, so 60, 70. Okay, it's going to be 65, and we need to take it above, so 80. 6. Okay, it is. If it is again 65, okay, we can remove this simply. And now I'll alter the sizes, which will be, first of all, instead of 100 we'll give 160, maybe 240, 230 is correct. And when it comes to this one, maybe 130. Yeah, 130 is correct. Now we need to give border radius. So border radius, and we need to give a value in pixels here. So I think it would be around 20. No, 40, 60, 61, 62, 59, 58, 57, 56. Okay, 60 would be perfect. Now we can remove this background because obviously we need not give any background here. Now we'll only use one div, which is A, and A will have, first of all, it is a circle, so border radius 50%. Border radius 50%. Okay, width and height will be, I'll take a rough guess of 60 or maybe 100. Let's go with 100. And again, height is also 100. Position fixed, and why hasn't, okay, we need to give border again. So we can all give the border as common property for them. Let's remove it, and let's make a body comma A, paste. Okay, 100 is a bit too much. Maybe I was correct with the estimation of 60. Nah, 80. Yeah, 80 looks pretty better. Now margin, again 100 and 100, so maybe 40, 30, and here it will be maybe 60, 50, 55. Yeah, let's submit it once to see if it is a 100% match. Yeah, it is. So let's bring it in a single line. Now let's submit it to get the final score. And it is 669.25. And what are the global statistics? 610.56. We are a lot better than the average score, and that too in far less characters than the average ones. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.